Hello and welcome. Here I am, Ira, Meditative Scrapbooking, and today I'm glad to present 3 Alice in Wonderland line journals. All of them are made of with the help of 2 collections, paper collections, scrapbooking. Generally the same kit of cotton, fabric, lace, brads, paper, tea-dyed paper, coffee-dyed paper of different kinds, collages and stuff like that, and tags. So I'll start showing them to you with the first one. So these are 3. There are 2 signatures, soft cover. All of them are soft color. Cover, sorry. All of them are hand stitched, hand sewn, and generally look still quite different. So the first one with the card that says in Russian "Drink me," and there are a lot of cottons here, and all of them match the general collection of paper collection, and it's covered with some acrylic paint, blue acrylic paint. As you know, I like doing that. It says "Drink me" in Russian, and let's see what it supposes to drink. So here I used a lot of tags with stamping referring to Alice in Wonderland topic, and a little bit of blue. It's kind of grungy. All of these 3 journals are grungy, and it uses blue acrylic paint as well. So here is the first page. You can put a card here, or a photo here, or any picture here, and this is it. And this is a pocket. Let's move on. So 1 envelope with the card, a tag with "Drink me" bottle in Russian, and a lot of covered pages, grungy, I would say. So this is an envelope. This is a piece of self-made natural handmade paper. It has the rose petals in it, and you can see the texture of fabric on it, and there is some insert. Okay, my favorite style of collection of old envelopes from my childhood. This one is 989. It says "Adventures," and this is another piece. There is some writing piece. Okay, another tag which is covered with paint. Okay, and a card. 1 more tag with a rabbit. This is a piece of a small envelope where you can also insert something. Dolly. Okay, this is something for you to put your picture in. Another collaged piece with a card, dictionary page, a watch. It's kind of clock, right? Yeah, alarm clock. It's a pocket with a card and a little bit of collage. Another piece where you can insert something, and a little bit shaker with sequins and Cheshire cat. Here it is, and here it is, and some more collagen with the roses. By the way, the die cuts are from the same paper collection, and these also come from the same paper collection. This is a cotton pocket, and this is pocket page, and 1 more pocket you can use for whatever. This is this rose petals homemade paper. It has a lot of textures. It has some waffle texture and fabric texture as well. It's marvelous, I would say. And another side pocket. Some more collagen with cottons. Another piece for pictures, photos, bookmark. Okay, collage with characters from the fairy tale, from the book. This one can be actually opened. This is like that, and like that, and like that. This is a pocket as well, with another tag. Okay, and another piece where you can put pictures or just use it as it is. So another shaker with a cat, some hint and sequins, a lot of place for writing, some inserts, some belly belt, right? They call it. It says time. And this is one more pocket. You can use it like this. Another tag and writing spot. And this is a queen. This is another secret place. Okay, one more tag with the door and the key and the roses. And that is that. A small tag and a little piece of another tag. And this is a cotton pocket as well. And this is the back side. This is the spine. And these are the streaks. Well, the second one, Alice the Second. It has the same picture on the front, but the composition and the layering of fabrics, they are different. And so a lot of cottons here as well, and a lot of lace and a lot of blue paint as well. It says drink me, and let us see. So another pocket, cotton pocket with something you can use for writing or keeping your pictures. So the tags are the same in all the 3 journals because they come. I made it using the same. This is a place we have pictures. I made them using the same stamp collection. Okay, the same. Okay, one more piece of handmade paper. A little bit of collagen. Okay, small frame you can use for pictures or cards or whatsoever, and a little bit of composition. Another place for that, and pieces to put your pictures in. Piece of vellum, shaker with a key and a feather, because there is a bird in this fairy tale. Yes. And another piece. You can see how to use it if you happen not to know how these are used. Okay, a lot of side pockets. This is a pergamon piece with a lot of piercing from me, and a little bit of collage. This is a flip page, can be used for pictures, and this one as well can be used for holding pictures. Doily, tags, glassine paper, pocket page. Oh, some tiny composition with a little secret that you can keep there, right there, and keep it. And the beautiful the most beautiful thing is this paper collection, which has perfect pictures and stuff. So one more insert, broad, you can see, and another college here. So Time to Dream composition, belly band, I'm not sure what to call it. Sorry for my low voice today and my quiet voice. I'm still not too good, but film in that because I'm not too sure whether I will manage to do that tomorrow, next day. One more college and picture. Okay, another piece of rose petals paper, some cards featuring in the book. This is a small key, and this is another piece of self-made paper, not self-made, handmade. Okay, a lot of envelopes and tag places and beautiful alleys. One more secret place and one more place for pictures and cards and notes. As well, the same for pictures and cards. So you can see that you can use these journals both for writing and keeping your memories, be that pictures or any other memorabilia, cards, whatever. So this is one more thing. This is a small pocket that can keep your secrets, and it works like that. Let me make it. And here we are, the last page, the last big pocket, different pictures from the book, and a beautiful rose. That's the second one. And this is Alice 3. I called it Alice 3 this time. It has another kind of closure, another type of composition, and a different card on the front. The principle is just the same. This spine, the same spine, it has two cards on the front and on the back side. Let us see, but the general, all the material and the cottons are just the same. Let us see. So this is the first part, the first page, and the same tags. Definitely not the same. So this is the folding card, and as well you can use it for keeping pictures or cards. And sorry, no, it's brittle, this kind of paper. Music paper, no. Okay. Oh, this is a small rabbit here and a little tag. One more piece of shaker pocket with lace and buttons. Okay, some more envelopes and bread. One more envelope with a card and handmade paper. All of them hold handmade paper, tags. This is the second tag. Okay, here it is. It has a side pocket. By the way, the stamps I used here are in Russian, and they quote, this is a key, they quote some memorable phrases from the book in Russian. This is actually the doodled butterfly piece made by my daughter. I thought it would match the general style quite well. So it says "Drink me," and this is just a cat. A little bit of college. This is a kitten, and this is the same rose petal paper that was featured in the previous journals. Okay, another piece of college and piece for pictures and cards. Yeah, and also has some hidden spot. Okay. Okay, it's better to use it like that. And here we are. This is a bookmark, and yes, there are some places where you can write, where you can put your pictures. So this is just a piece of paper I put in here for you to be able as well to keep your secrets. This is how it looks without anything, and then you like do this and that, and you get this picture. Okay, I'm just gonna waste the video time on inserting this too much. Okay, another card, and another card, and another card, and you can keep anything there. Okay, wow, my favorite envelope, and some spots to keep your notes. Lined paper, another piece, craft paper, and another tacky place. Tacky spot. Oh, I don't remember what you call it. Something where you can hide things. It's a little bird. See, Mad World. It says Mad World. It's about birds mostly. Okay, this is an envelope, in fact, with some piece there, and yes, and you can put some card here. It can be used for your memories, writing. This is my childhood letter. That's just the period when I was crazy about Alice and the story of Alice. Okay, so maybe it's not definitely about Alice, but very close to that. And here we come to the last page. Tea time, it says tea time. And one more tag with a rabbit and paper lace and dictionary page, college composition, and this time it has 2 cotton fabric pockets with cards. They're different for smaller things. So here we are. They're gonna be posted in my Etsy shop soon. And thank you so much for watching. Hope it wasn't too long.